Good morning, day 263. We are back home. Woke up at home, I should say. We were back home yesterday. Oh, doggo wants to come out. You want to come out, Snowman? Come on. And it is a sweltering 65 degrees and windy. Like I kind of need a hoodie. Where's the sun? It's over here. So yeah, it's I got up early and was kind of laying in bed a little bit. I was like, I just probably should sleep in, get some rest. And then Black Attack right there. She slept with me all night long, and she was sleeping, and she kind of got really comfortable. So I just kind of laid in bed, and kind of dozed off here and there, took little cat naps with my cat. Hey, baby cake, did you miss me, honey bunny? I'm right here. Yeah. So she literally slept in one spot, which is weird, I think, for a cat to sleep in one spot all night long. Hey, baby. And but yeah, I'm doing some laundry now because I've got a lot of laundry to do, and I figure I'll go and get that started. It's a weird noise, isn't it? So I think I get out of the sun to talk to you and get silhouetted because facing the sun is like, it's too bright. So I turn like this and it's like I'm too dark. So I'm gonna do some laundry today and just kind of do some research and maybe post some pictures to Instagram. Got to download all our PhotoPass stuff. I'm gonna get that handled, and I guess I need to talk to mom and dad at some point today. What, honey? I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Come here. I'm gonna get down here with you, so you'll be quiet. Yeah. See, paying attention to you. Yeah, baby. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today, and not sure if I'm gonna do anything else. We'll see. Need to mow again. Non-stop. You, honey? Yeah. You like being outside? All right. It is nippy. I kind of need a hoodie. Got the laundry's half done. Not really, because I've got one more load to do after this. But, come on, bub. Just kind of walking around, checking out the property, make sure ain't nothing broke or stolen or gone or anything else. So far, everything looks all right. Yeah, I think it was I know I had a really good time. It was a good trip. Glad we went. No regrets there. I don't feel like we're not safe or nothing like that, really at all. I think for the most part, cast members did a really good job of keeping us safe. People are jerks, and they're jerks at Disney World. They're jerks here, they're jerks everywhere. So it's just, and I think too, there's a lot of people from other countries there, and I really don't know like how serious they take it in other countries. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if like it's like they just think it's a joke, or if they think it's because they didn't really act like they were caring that they were in a pandemic in Florida. Like, I don't think, maybe they don't have it there. I don't know. I guess it's everywhere, but maybe it's not bad. I'm not sure. So that was kind of strange. I'm gonna go back inside because it is nippy out here. Oof. I don't like this at all. Ugh. Can't believe I was like sweating buckets like 2 days ago. And I even asked Corinne about it. I was like, do you remember like when we came home last year that like, it was that hot there? And she's like, no. Like, it's almost like cut heat on cold. Not quite, but maybe. So, but I got the laundry started. Work's on film. I've got to finish getting the pictures off my phone and make some playlists and things like that. So I'm just not really feeling like doing anything today. I might go get gas in the van, just so I don't have to deal with that tomorrow. Might order some shelves, because my ghost in a jar need a place to go. And I also need maybe like a Star Wars area now that I could put my saber and stuff like that, display it. So I don't know. Gotta figure out some shelving things. And I didn't really spend as much as I thought I did. So that's really good. I think I've got like $1,000 on my credit card, but that's not all the trip. And 500 of that is DVC. So I think I spent less than 500 bucks. Not bad. And that was also bills and gas and dog food before we went and that kind of thing. So could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse. So I'm gonna maybe do that, and maybe order some frames too, because we got these things. I'll show you these. I didn't show you these in the videos, but for doing the tours, we got the little gift. So got that to hang up. So I'm getting hungry though. It's about 1:30, 1:40. So we're not sure. Oh wow, the cats have absolutely destroyed the screen. It is gone. Dang. Oh well. Guess somebody was on the porch and wanted to come in. Or something. Who knows. But I've got a little bit more of my laundry to do, so maybe I'll make something to eat, and then I don't even know if I got anything to eat here. Because before vacation, you don't buy a bunch of food because you're going to be gone for a week. Huh. If I don't, I'll have to get it when I go out. So anyway, just wanted to kind of update what's going on. Alright, well, it's about 3:03, 3:04 something. I'm not really sure what time it is. It's 3 o'clock. Still haven't eaten food yet. But I'm going to go take this here van, go get some gas in it, and maybe swing by Little Caesars and get a pizza. Just because I might as well get used to having some crap food. But yeah, I've just been doing laundry mainly, and I got all the regular pictures off the phone and put them on the iPad so I can put them on Instagram. But yeah, I'll get back and eat, and then I'll see what I do, what I need to do, because I don't know what to do. It's like I'm got this urge. I'm like, let's go mow, let's go mow, let's go mow. But I really don't want to do that. Let's check them out first. No, we'll check it on the way back. Okay. So yeah, so we'll get gas, and then go get pizza. Then go home and continue doing laundry. All right, so got my gas, got my pizza, and no mail at all. So. Them the breaks, kids. When you don't order nothing, you don't get no mail, I guess. So, Mom and Dad called while I was en route. I kind of want to eat, so I'm just going to eat, and then I'll call them back. Oh, gosh, I don't know what to do. I don't want to do anything. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just keep doing mail, laundry. I don't know. We'll see what we do. I'm going to put all my ride pictures and photo pass stuff, everything from the trip on Instagram. So if you want to see any of the photo pass stuff, that kind of thing, pop over to the old Instagram to check it out. All right, well, I got finally got some food. My laundry, I think, is almost done. I gotta check on it. Letting the dog go use the bathroom, giving him some food, and then how many different shades of green I got going on today? Too many. But haven't really done much or nothing. Just been putting some videos on Instagram, or pictures rather. It's taken a long time. But yeah, just wore out and trying not to think about things yet. So very boring day today. I mean, and videos went downhill quick, didn't they, kids? Wow. Well, that's the way it goes sometimes. Well, I was busy uploading pictures non-stop to Instagram. And how about I look down and see what time it was? I mean, it's late, so outro time. Um, got gas in the van. Got some clothes washed. Picking some stuff off my hood. Burped some film. And got laundry done. And yeah, I didn't do a whole lot today, kids. But tomorrow we'll get the DVC thing sorted out, and you'll find out where I will be a new owner at. It's exciting and also terrifying. I did talk to mom and dad for a bit too, so that was what rephrase that. I talked to dad because mom was asleep. Called him about 9. I think I got phone with him about 10. So kind of told him about the vacation. We talked about work stuff as we always do. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at with that. So we'll see.